Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. What are the best ways to make the most of university open days occurring around the country in Australia? Well, guess what? We can give you a few tips on how to tackle open days. G'day and welcome to This International Student Life. We tell stories and our story is international student education. University Open Days in Australia 2022. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains nil paid promotions. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public.
As I said, if you're giving out a $100...
Wise Words Media accepts no responsibility for any errors or omissions of information in this episode.